video is produced by the North Carolina Hybrid College Advising Core Program. Like and subscribe for more helpful
Hello everyone,
videos.
thank you for joining this session on financial aid. Today we are going to be exploring what financial aid is, the types of aid available, and more. Financial aid can help you make college affordable, opening doors to opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. So let's dive right in. So what is exactly financial aid? Financial aid is money to help you cover college costs, like tuition, fees, room and board. Aid can come in several forms: grants, scholarships, work study, and loans. It's important to know that this aid can be awarded by federal or state governments, colleges, and even private organizations. There are four main types of financial aid, and each one works a little differently. First, grants are need-based money. Often they come from federal or state programs. Grants do not need to be repaid, so they are like free money for school. Some of the examples include Pell Grants. Scholarship, though, these can be based on need or merit. Scholarships are awarded for things like good grades, athletic skills, or unique talents. And like grants, scholarships do not need to be repaid. Colleges, private organizations, and even your local businesses offer scholarships, so take a look around. Work study programs are part-time work designated for students with financial need. These jobs are usually on campus or with local nonprofits. It's a great way to earn money for school while keeping up with your studies. Now, loans. Loans are borrowed money, so they do need to be paid back with interest. Federal loans are safer options than private loans because they offer lower interest rates and flexible repayment plans. We will talk more about loans in our future videos. Eligibility for financial aid is determined mainly by looking at your financial need. Schools, the federal government, and sometimes state or private organizations will look at your family's financial situation to decide how much aid you qualify for. For federal aid, they use information from the FAFSA, Free Application for Federal Student Aid, to calculate what's called Expected Family Contribution, or EFC. Now let's break it down exactly what that means. EFC, or Expected Family Contribution, is a number the government calculates based on your family financial information such as income, assets, family size. This number is meant to estimate how much your family can realistically contribute to your college expenses. The lower your EFC, the more financial aid you are likely to be eligible for, especially need-based aid such as grants. There is also expected financial assistance. Those are resources that come from outside and can be put into towards your future education. There's another factor that plays into eligibility, which is cost of attendance or cost of education, which they called CAW. The CAW is a total estimate cost to attend a school for 1 year. It includes tuition, room and board, books and supplies, transportation, and personal expenses. Every school sets its own CAW, so this amount will vary depending on where you plan to go to college. Here is where EFC and COA or CAW come together. Your financial need is calculated by taking CAW at your school and subtracting your expected financial assistance and EFC or estimate family contribution. To apply for most financial aid, you need to complete the FAFSA, which stands for Free Application for Federal Student Aid. The FAFSA is your key to access many federal aids, and many state and colleges use it to determine what aid can they offer you as well. The FAFSA opens on December 1st for the 24 and 25 school year, so mark your calendar and apply as soon as possible because some of them are first come, first serve. They will also ask for some of the student identifying data such as your name, address, your income information, your asset information, and your dependency. Same will be asked of your parents for their income info, their prior tax return information. So for 24 and 25, your parents will need to find their 2023 tax return forms. They will also ask for your parent asset info, name of schools to receive the data, and at the end, a signature of statement for accuracy. Some private colleges and institutions also require CSS profile, which is another financial aid form. Unlike FAFSA, the CSS profile asks for more detailed financial information to help colleges determine if you qualify for their institutional aid. You can complete it on the College Board website, and there is a fee to submit it, though fee waivers are available. Check if any of your colleges require it. You will need to submit your recent completed federal tax returns, W-2 forms, and other records of your current year income, records of untaxed income, and benefits, assets, and bank statements. Remember, you do not need to complete the entire application at one time. You may save and return to complete the application. Deadlines are a huge part of getting financial aid. The FAFSA opens on December 1st, but check deadlines for each colleges and scholarship that you're applying to, as they can vary. My top tips are apply early, stay organized, and double check that you've submitted everything on time and properly. Reach out to your financial aid office if you have any questions. Keep copies of all of the applications and submissions for your own records. So now, final takeaways. As you can see, financial aid can make college affordable. Therefore, it's worth taking your time and to apply. Start early, stay organized, and ask questions as they come up. And remember, grants and scholarships do not require repayments. However, loans do. Loans have interest rates, and they also have to be repaid at a certain amount of time. All right, that's a wrap up on financial aid basics. Remember, there's a lot of money out there to help you pay for college. You just need to apply for it. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more college tips. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your financial aid journey. Bye-bye.